In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert GCash balance to USD or crypto 2025 method. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to turn your GCash pesos into digital USD using USDC or into other cryptocurrencies, all inside the GCash app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to expect on fees and rates, and how to hold or send your crypto safely. First, open the GCash app and make sure your account is fully verified. Full verification is required before you can access GCrypto features. If you're not sure, check your profile inside GCash and complete any prompts for ID checks and face verification. It's also a good idea to update the app to the latest version for a smoother experience. Next, from the app home, go to GInvest and then tap GCrypto. Depending on your account, you might see GCrypto under the Explore or Investments area. If it's your first time entering GCrypto, you may be asked to enroll, review risk disclosures, and confirm your mobile PIN or a one-time code. Complete those prompts so the crypto dashboard can load. Once inside GCrypto, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. If your goal is to hold a USD equivalent balance, pick USDC. USDC is a stablecoin designed to closely track $1, so it's ideal for converting your PHP balance into a digital USD value without the volatility you'd get from coins like BTC or ETH. You can still browse other coins if you prefer, but for USD value, USDC is the straightforward choice. Now enter the amount you want to convert. You can type it in PHP or set a USDC amount and let the app calculate the equivalent. You'll see a preview with the quoted rate and any fees before you commit. Double check the amount, then tap Buy. Make sure your GCash wallet has enough balance to cover both the purchase and any applicable fees. Confirm the transaction on the review screen. After you proceed, your PHP balance will be deducted and your new USDC will appear in your GCrypto wallet. Give it a moment to settle, then check your portfolio or transaction history to verify everything went through. From here, you can simply hold USDC as your digital USD or you can send it out. To transfer, open your USDC in GCrypto, choose the send or withdraw option, and paste the destination wallet address. Select the correct network supported by GCrypto, review network fees, and confirm. Always triple check the address and network and consider testing with a small amount first before moving larger funds. If you plan to keep USDC in-app, remember you can convert back to PHP anytime by selling inside GCrypto.